Meron kang binasag dyan, maganda, bam. Maganda yung pattern na ginawa niya. Ngayon, the same thing, gumawa siya dito ng pattern ulit. Right? I have another pattern. You have your shoulder, head, shoulder, binabaan ka ulit. So for me, ganito yung mga gusto kong i-trade. I analyze the big picture of the pattern and siya yung pipiliin ko over kung titingnan niyo mabuti si Bitcoin ngayon, which is crazy. No, take a look at this. From a pattern perspective, ang dami niyang in-invalidate. Ang dami niyang in-invalidate. For example, tingnan natin itong mabuti. No? So let's just take a look into this pattern. So yan. Alright, kung mapansin mo, meron kang binasag dyan, maganda, bam. Right? But, you're going to notice, ang ganda sana ng ginawa niya dito na inverse HNS, right? Pero binabaan ka niya, 1, 2, 3, dapat tutuloy pataas yan. Diba? Pero binabaan niya tayo ulit. The market created another low only to go up again, right? And consolidate long. Pero sabi ko, anong klaseng market to?